This compressor is scorching hot right now, like a volcano. Like, oh my goodness, and we got a lot of sweating going on here. Oh, man. Like, I can feel the heat from over here. I kid you not. That's all sweat in there, water. Interesting. I'll fix these coils right here. I already did, it just looks pushed in. So yeah. Any drip on this side? Yes we do, right there, all along down the way. I mean, if you just feel these lines right now compared to these, it is unbelievable. Ow. Just listen to that. Listen how bad that sounds. It's this rattling right here. So yeah. You just listen to that, dude. It rattles. It shakes the whole house floor. Oh my god. Am I actually serious right now? What was that? You know what I think about this thing? Oh god. It's getting sucked up into the dehumidifier and it smells so bad. Oh my god. It is unbelievable. Like, oh my god. Yeah, it's been sitting in my room for months. That's why it's so dusty. Like, oh my god, the water coming out of here already. And I just started it up not long ago. This compressor in this line. Ow! Line is so hot right now. This compressor is freaking scorching hot. I can feel it from over here. Like, it is unbelievable. What is in here, bro? It is just blowing out pure heat right now. Sad. Just sad. Abysmal.